Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for checking out the April edition of the top 5 tutorials for After Effects. As always, we have some great videos to look at. There's nothing new from me, so let's just get straight into it. The first tutorial this month is by AG Motion Designs, and what a cool tutorial we have here. You'll be learning how to create neon text, and specifically you'll be using a free third-party plugin called Saber. This is one of Video Copilot's tools and one I've used for many years, and best of all, it's free. I must admit, I do struggle a little bit when it's just music and not a voiceover, but this is a good tutorial and I still do recommend it. The second video this month is by Ignace Aleya, and what a treat this video is. We learn how to create a hologram heads-up display, all within After Effects and with no third-party plugins, just how I like my tutorials. We build a hologram using shape layers and text layers, and shape layers are extremely versatile, and there's kind of no real limit to what you can do. This one's well worth your time. Check it out. The third video this month is by Keyframe Academy, and honestly this is an amazing video and you need to watch this video. Alright, so what you learn to do is create a fake 3D character. Well, what does that mean? Well, firstly, After Effects doesn't really do 3D. It has some 3D capabilities, but not for projects like this. Instead, we have to rely on shape layers, some great third-party plugins, and a nice little bit of smoke and mirrors. You'll take so much from this tutorial, and it's one that I'll definitely be coming back to. Go on, check it out. The fourth video this month is by Nijat, and in this video, he takes us through a practical example of using 3D layers in After Effects. As I mentioned in the previous video, After Effects doesn't really do 3D, and in this video you'll actually see what the capabilities are. You'll also see what happens when you add a camera to a scene with 3D layers. Have fun with this one. To close out our video this month, we have none other than Marriott. I've been a huge fan of Ben for a number of years now, and yet again he delivers with this video. So this isn't strictly a tutorial, but more of some life advice for budding motion designers. He touches on areas such as the use of motion blur, not cluttering your scene, and even tidying up your project. There's some insightful thoughts and some great advice all around. It's a bit of fun and he's totally right on every point. So go on, finally learn some lessons the easy way. Alright, well thanks again guys. If you liked this video and would like to see more, please give us a like and hit the subscribe button. Also hit that notification icon too. If you have any questions, please put those in the comments, and also head over to our website, aftereffectsbeginner.com, and sign up to our newsletter.